Good afternoon. My name is Jarrod, and I figured I'd take a few moments to go ahead and give a breakdown on how you can submit a quote. There's multiple ways you can do it. You can apply through Facebook, submitting through Messenger. You can also take and call in. You can go on mallettbuildings.com and submit there. You can also do a 3D rendering where you can custom design your building up to make sure you get quoted exactly how you want. Another thing that you can take and do along with that is you can text into the main line here and give us your information as far as what you want on the building, or if you're in the area, stop by and see us. We always like to welcome customers so we can sit down and make sure we get everything worked up exactly how you want. Now, when you go to submit for a quote, there's a few things I gotta ask. The first is gonna be the building size, the height, the items that you want on the building. For example, the amount of roll-up doors, walk-through doors, windows, and such. Another thing they're going to ask you to do is submit where the building's going. Now, this plays a huge factor in your quote because certain areas have certain regulations. We try and take that into account so we can make sure what we're quoting you is accurate and can fit and permit exactly for the area you're in. They're also going to ask you for a preferred contact. So if you prefer us to text message you, if you prefer us to email you, or you prefer us to call you, we're willing to do whichever one's most convenient for you. We know today's date, whenever you're taking and submitting something like this, life is busy. Sometimes it's difficult to find the time to get on the phone with someone. So if email is easier, if text message is easier, or if you do want us to give you a call, we're more than happy to do so. Once again, if you get a chance, submit in for your quote. We'd be more than happy to get a building quoted up for you. And if you have any questions, reach out to us in any of the manners that I mentioned. I appreciate it. And remember, like and share. Thank you. Bye-bye.